Ever leave the doctor feeling more confused than when you walked in? Let's fix that. In just 3 steps, I'll show you how to use a free AI app to build a clear, simple question list so you get better answers and a more accurate diagnosis.
Okay, here's how it works. Step 1, add your basics. Step 2, let AI build your custom questions. And step 3, print and bring it to your visit. No jargon, no tech skills. Open your AI app, tap the mic, and say something like this. I'm preparing for a doctor visit. Include your age range, your main symptoms, when they started, if your symptoms are better or worse with your current meds, the conditions, your allergies. Keep everything in plain English and over 50 friendly. Don't give medical advice, just help me prepare questions for a better diagnosis. And that's enough for AI to understand your situation without revealing anything private. Next, we ask the AI to create a smart, structured list, not just random questions. We want to cover what matters for a better diagnosis. Create a concise doctor visit question list with these sections in this order. What could this be? Tests to confirm or rule out. Treatment options. Medical questions. Costs and coverage. When to worry. Follow-up plan. Lifestyle changes that actually help. A closing teach-back question. Use bullet points, simple language, and keep it to 1 page. In seconds, you'll have a solid list. If it's too long, just say, convert this to a 1-page checklist with short bullets and checkboxes. Title it Doctor Visit Question List. Now, 2 things make this even more effective: a quick portal message and a smart closing question. Write a 60-second patient portal message I can paste before my appointment. The goal? Set the agenda and share top 3 questions. What's most likely causing this given my history? Which test would confirm the diagnosis and change the plan? If we start medicine, what benefits and side effects should I expect in the first 4 to 12 weeks? Thanks for helping me focus our time. At the end, you could say, could you summarize the plan in 1 or 2 sentences so I'm sure I got it? It's a simple line that catches what you might have missed. Say I have high blood pressure and a confusing lipid panel. The AI gives me questions like, which test confirms the diagnosis and how would it change treatment? Are there generic or lower tier medications that are just as effective for me? What side effects should I watch for in the first month and when should I message you? Keep private info out of AI chats. For cost questions, check with your insurer about formulary tiers and 90-day options. If it's a brand name drug, check the manufacturer's website for savings. Okay, let's recap our question list. First, add your basics. Second, use AI to build smart questions. And third, print and bring it to the visit. Drop questions in the comments and I'll paste the exact prompts. Want the printable version? Scan the QR code at the end. If this helped, subscribe for more money and safety tips.